Are you a landscaper who is really trying to grow their business but has made one crucial mistake? And that mistake being you don't have a website. I found that about 20% of landscaping companies on Google Business, this is 2024, you've got to have a website. Number one, you've got to have a website. Number two, that website has to be marketing friendly, has to be search engine friendly, and has to be able to deliver leads. So that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. I'm going to talk to you about the website opportunity that Inbound Revenue offers to landscapers like yourselves. And it's not a crazy expensive website. I used to work for a marketing agency. The cheapest website we ever sold there was $10,000. This is not a $10,000 website, though it's just as good and in some ways better than those $10,000 websites. And I'm going to tell you why. One of the reasons is that Inbound Revenue did not start as a website design company. You'd say that's a disadvantage. No, it's an advantage. We are a marketing company. We're a Google Ads company. We are a lead driving company. We understand that it's what you need is leads, not a pretty website. So what we've developed for you is a $197 a month website that will capture leads, and drive business and won't break the bank. And it's not just a website. When I tell you everything that you have in this website and the power of this website, it'll blow your mind. So I'm going to walk you through that right now. So first of all, this website is state-of-the-art, modern, super fast loading. So you're not going to have any problems getting your website to load. People don't want to sit around and wait. It's not built on an old-fashioned platform like WordPress that has problems with bugs and with upgrades. We'll make sure that this is up 24/7. And with WordPress, you have a separate hosting fee. You've got a separate domain fee. You've got all these things that you've got to do. You don't have to do any of that with the Inbound Revenue Service. So with the Inbound Revenue Service, that's us. Find us at inboundrevenue.com. We're going to deliver you a complete website in about 4 to 6 business days live, and you don't have to hassle with domain registration, domain setup, setting up your phone number, setting up getting WordPress hosting, all this crap that you have to deal with, which is probably one of the reasons that you don't have a website, because you don't want to deal with all that. So let's walk through this website, what makes it so special. So the homepage, which is where most people end up going to of your website, is designed to convert. You can see right here, we have a headline, we've got a billboard, we've got the opportunity for a quote, we've got a toll-free number. Yes, you're going to get a toll-free number free as part of the service. So you're going to look bigger than what you probably are. And that toll-free number will go right to your cell phone, just like your calls do now, but you're going to look more professional. So as you scroll down, we're going to talk about us. We're going to say get a quote. We're going to have lots of calls to action. We're going to talk about your services, what you do at your landscaping company. Because every landscaping company does a little bit of different stuff. Some do lawn care, some do lawn maintenance, some do chemical treatment, some do lighting. Everyone does a little something different. So we're going to have your services here. We're going to list a gallery here of all the great work that you've done. It's all right here on the front page. Notice, still a call to action here. We're going to pull over testimonials from your Google Business profile or wherever you have them. We're going to add some quick frequently asked questions. So the types of things that will avoid you getting on a call and having these same questions answered over and over again will be right here on the homepage, along with that toll-free number, a quick map of where your business is located, and all the information that you need in the footer, your hours of operation, your address if you want that there, your services, everything's all right there. So you can see this page is powerful. It has everything that you need to drive business. And if we turn on Google Ads for you or Facebook ads and drive them to this page, your phone is going to ring, period. And what's beautiful is we're going to track every call. I'm going to show you how. Let's take a quick spin through the rest of the website. Everyone needs an About Us page. Lots of people want to go there and learn about you. Again, we're going to talk about your business here. Going to reiterate the power of your testimonials right here. Those are very powerful. We're going to talk about your services. If people want to get right to your service page, we'll talk about those again. We have another call to action here. We have a little bit of fluff just to make people, feel good about your service. We have your gallery, once again, of everything that you do, all your, full gallery, everything that you send us, everything that you want to update. And keep in mind, we'll update this website forever for you. We'll add new content, we'll add new pictures, we'll update the text, we'll change things if things change. And this is a beautiful feature here, the Contact Us page. Once again, another chance to get a full lead submitted to you, and I'll show you how this works. It's going to blow your mind. Okay, so I'm green now. Let me turn blue. Okay, so let's go back to the home page again. Beautiful website, fast loading, snappy. It's going to get found on Google. It's made to convert. It's made to generate leads. But even better, all these leads aren't just going to disappear into the ether. You're going to get the inbound revenue CRM here, where all your leads are going to flow in, and you're going to see all those leads. You're going to have these leads pop up in this pipeline, and you can move these leads along so that when they've been closed, you can move them to closed. When they've gone cold, you can move them here. You'll keep track of all the leads that you have. We'll keep track of all your contacts. We'll even pull your existing contacts in here, because then we can email those people and remind them that you exist, and remind them they need a spring cleanup, remind them they need a fall cleanup, remind them that they need a feed, remind them of these sorts of things. So we'll pull all your contacts in. You just upload a file and a handy form that we'll send to you. Load all those contacts in here. You can keep all your stuff on a calendar if you want. Lots of people have their own calendars. They use it on their phone or Outlook. You don't need to, but we'll set up a calendar for you. All your conversations that you have with people are going to be tracked in here, because you're able to text your clients right from here, and they're able to text that 800 number or that toll-free number that we set up for you. And then you've got your dashboard. It's going to show you all your activity, how many leads you've got, what the opportunity value is, how many you've closed. So this is a complete system right here. In addition, if we run Facebook ads for you or Google ads, we're going to have a full report in here to show you all your leads, all your conversions, everything that you have. And on top of that, you're going to have call reporting to show how many calls came in to your site. So this is a full and complete, not just website for $197 a month, not just a website. We're talking a website that's marketing friendly, marketing ready, with a toll-free number, with the domain paid for. You never have to pay for a domain. You never have to pay for edits or updates. It's $197 a month. It's going to be live in 4 to 6 business days. It's got a full back end that you can log into, keep track of all your business stuff here. And all you have to do to order it is go to inboundrevenue.com, go to inbound revenue, go to the $197 website and free CRM. It tells you everything on this page that's included, that it's not just a website. We show you sample websites. We show you your back end, and then we tell you all you have to do is come down here and place an order. Boom, it's going to take you to a thank you page after you've submitted payment. It's going to take you to an intake form. There's a link on there to an intake form. You fill that out. We reach out to you right away. 4 to 6 business days later, your website is live and you haven't done anything. We've asked you a few questions. You filled out an intake form. Your site is live. Your business is in business, and you're ready to do some marketing from that point forward. So I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have questions at all, drop them in the links, drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Reach out to me. I'm Mark. I own Inbound Revenue. Reach out if you have any questions at all. And get ready to put your business on the map with a professional landscaping business website for $197 a month. Thank you very much.